How to print WhatsApp messages. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can print your WhatsApp messages. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to your WhatsApp application, and now you're here, you need to tap on the messages that you want to print. If this is the message that you want to print, you need to simply go ahead and take a screenshot of the message. Now that you have taken the screenshot, you need to tap on the screenshot to open it. And from here, you can see a little share icon next to the recycle bin. And that is a box with an arrow pointing upward. You need to simply go ahead and tap on that. And from here, you can scroll down and see an option that says print. You need to simply go ahead and tap on print. Now you need to simply go ahead and select the printers, and if you have selected the printer, once you have selected your printer, you can choose how many copies you want to print. You can simply add the copies just like this by clicking on the plus button, and you can even choose the paper size from here, whether you want it on A3, A4, B5, anything. And once you have selected everything, you need to simply go ahead and tap on print. And that's it. You now know how to print WhatsApp messages. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.